Are your supplements actually helping or harming you? Let's deep into the truth about supplements. First off, do you really need supplements? For most people with a balanced, nutrient-rich diet, the answer is no, but certain groups might benefit. Pregnant women need folic acid and iron for fetal development. Elderly individuals might require calcium, vitamin D, and B12 due to decreased absorption with age. Vegans often need vitamin B12, and those with lactose intolerance might need calcium and vitamin D. People with medical conditions like celiac or Crohn's disease may also need specific supplements. Now, let's separate fact from myth. 1. Multivitamins are popular, but their benefits are mixed. They don't significantly reduce chronic disease risk for most healthy people, but they can be an insurance policy for those with poor diets or certain deficiencies. 2. Vitamin D is crucial for bone health, immune function, and mood regulation. Those with limited sun exposure or specific health conditions might need it. 3. Omega-3 fatty acids in fish oil are linked to heart health and reduced inflammation. If you don't consume enough fish, you might benefit from these. 4. Probiotics support gut health and can be beneficial for digestion and immune function. People with digestive issues or those recovering from antibiotics might find them useful. 5. Calcium is vital for strong bones and teeth, but excessive supplementation can be harmful. Postmenopausal women at risk of osteoporosis might need it, especially if their diet lacks calcium. 6. Magnesium is important for muscle function and energy production. People experiencing cramps, fatigue, or stress might need it. And lastly, B vitamins, especially B12, are essential for energy and nerve function. Vegans, vegetarians, and older adults might need a B12 supplement. Now, let's talk about supplements you should be cautious about. 1. Antioxidants. While antioxidants like vitamin E and vitamin C are crucial for neutralizing free radicals, excessive supplementation can actually be harmful. Unless there's a clear deficiency, it's safer to get antioxidants from natural food sources like fruits, vegetables, and nuts. 2. Weight loss supplements. Many weight loss supplements make exaggerated claims with little scientific backing. Some may contain harmful ingredients that can cause serious side effects, such as increased heart rate or high blood pressure. Weight loss should ideally be achieved through a balanced diet and exercise. Supplements claiming rapid fat loss should be avoided. 3. Herbal supplements. While some herbs like turmeric have potential benefits, the supplement market is largely unregulated. Many products are mislabeled or contaminated with harmful substances. Only use herbal supplements that have been clinically studied and approved by reputable regulatory bodies. Lastly, let's talk about best practices for taking supplements. 1. Consult a healthcare professional. Before starting any supplement, it's essential to talk to a doctor or dietitian to assess your specific needs. Supplements can interact with medications or exacerbate health conditions. 2. Choose quality products. Look for third-party testing labels, such as USP or NSF, which ensure the supplement contains what the label claims and is free from contaminants. 3. Avoid megadoses. Taking more of a nutrient than your body needs won't give you extra benefits and can be harmful. Stick to recommended daily doses unless advised otherwise by a healthcare provider. 4. Supplements aren't a substitute for food. While supplements can fill gaps, they should never replace a balanced, nutrient-dense diet. Whole foods provide fiber, phytonutrients, and antioxidants that supplements cannot fully replicate. Stay healthy.